Hi friends. So today I have chosen a recipe which is called as Kanchipuram Idly. So idli as such is a very versatile South Indian dish which is generally served for breakfast or for dinner. So this is specifically found in Kanchipuram, and this is supposedly offered as a prasad for the god. And to talk a little bit about idli, so idli has been the staple food in many South Indian houses. So in my house, there was a time that my son used to just eat idlis for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it was like we were like having idlis day in and day out. And when I had my second child as well, I had cravings only for idli. So there used to be times where I used to take one idli and just keep eating it, just like that. So that's our history with idli. So today I'm going to try Kanchipuram Idly. So this recipe has been an ask from my mother-in-law. She wanted to eat Kanchipuram Idly, so I'm going to try that. So this original recipe is taken from Hebbar's kitchen, and I'm going to make it now, and let's see how it turns out.
So this recipe calls for 1 cup of raw rice and 1 cup of idli rice and 1 cup of urad dal, everything in the same proportion, to be soaked for 3 to 4 hours or overnight, and also methi seeds along with urad dal. And you grind it into a batter, and this should be fermented overnight. So as you can see now, you can see some the bubbles, which shows that the batter has been fermented. So once that batter is ready, there are some ingredients that you need to mix up. So the first thing is you need some cumin and pepper, crushed cumin and crushed pepper, and also ginger powder. So at my home I did not have ginger powder, so what I did was I had some dried ginger. I ground dried ginger, cumin and pepper in a mixer, and also we need some chopped cashews. So heat up some gingerly oil and add the tempering, which is cumin, pepper and ginger, dried ginger, and then add the cashews and then some curry leaves, and you add it to the batter, and you steam it in an idli pot. So this recipe is traditionally cooked in a mandare leaf or banana leaves. So I did not have both, so I have just used the normal idli pot and steamed it, and the idli came out well. So you can see that after the idli is cooked, it has come out well. So coming to whether this recipe is a pass or fail, the idli was very tasty, and it was very different because we eat plain idlis, and this was a very good variation from that. And it was not necessarily kid friendly because of the crushed pepper in it. Since kids are generally not very fond of spicy foods, at least at my home they did not taste it, but otherwise it was very tasty. And it is also easy because it just calls for a handful of ingredients, and it's similar to how we grind for idli. So this recipe is definitely a pass, and do try it out. I have given the recipe card and the recipe link, and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.